Welcome to the program. Mike D here. Today we have a very special show for you. An important show. We're fishing in a tournament to raise money for cancer research. Now, my dad passed away from this horrible disease not too long ago, and my dad wasn't a fisherman, but he was a huge Washington Redskins fan. So I'm dedicating the show to him and his love for the Washington Redskins. Hail to the Redskins, Dad.
It seems in every town in America that there's a secret fishing spot where the water runs clear and the bass are always biting. And at that spot, there's an unsung hero who knows every stump, laydown, and lily pad. Seems all he's got to do is wet a line. And sure enough, he's reeling in a big bass. So if you're looking for real people with real fish stories, then hop a ride. We're going to Lunkerville.
Okay, here's the deal. We're fishing a tournament. There's teams of 2. The heaviest 5 fish wins. I've been paired up with Jay Vallette from Southbury, Connecticut. The event is being run by our good friend Wild Bill from the Lunkerville forums, and proceeds are being donated to the American Cancer Society. So let's go out and win this thing. Okay, a respectable finish will be fine.
What we're fishing here is an island, and there's a weed line that goes around the island and comes out through here. There's a point, there's a marker buoy, a couple of large boulders there. Fish have been relating to weeds and outside weed edges. So if you follow the island and the marker buoy, you can it ranges from 2 feet to 8 feet. And we're sitting right now in 16 feet of water.
So I see you gave me this white popper. I love that bait. And you're using an inline spinner. Why these bait choices?
Well, fishing a tournament, we try 2 different things. You're covering top water. I'm covering a different part of the water column and a different bait. It just gives us a different look and helps us figure out what we're going to do today as we go forward.
And are we going specifically for smallmouth all day?
No, actually, largemouth will hit the popper and the inline just as well as the smallies will. So hopefully we'll get a couple of big largemouths in there as well.
Oh yeah.
Because I know you love your greenfish.
Mm-hmm.
You get us closer to the weed line, Mike.
Okay. There's one.
Nice. Nice and easy.
She's tugging.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
That's a good one. Come on, baby, right in there. Oh yeah, on the board. Yeah, on the board. Nice. She's a little lean, but she'll do. In the well. Where's the well? I'm not used to this tournament fishing.
Yeah, I know.
All right, number 2. Ooh, that's a good one too. That's a good one. Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's getting better. That's a 2.5, right?
Yeah, it's good too.
2. So I noticed we fished the one end of the island, caught a couple fish. Now we're pulling out to this point. Why not just work around the island?
Because the fish have a tendency to hold on the points of the islands rather than the sides. There is a defined weed line on the backside of that island. And that's what we're going to do primarily today is fish points.
Okay. And you know that there's a weed bed there. You've done your research.
Yes.
If I just came here, I would look at that island. I'd be fishing all the way around it, probably wasting my time.
Yeah, it's just from being on the lake quite a bit and having some luck here in the past. Of course, you're having all the luck today.
Hey, you're being very nice. I know that you put me right in the spot where I could catch some fish. Get mine out of the way so that you can catch the serious ones. There's a fish.
Small. Don't worry about it.
No, we worry about it. Perch.
Perch.
A nice perch. Oh, you got off. Remember, this is Lunkerville. I don't want to hear any of that. Oh, no, you don't have to film this talk. If he didn't shake, you would have held that up high and proud, right?
Absolutely.
Good.
Absolutely.
Good. Oh, there's one. I think he's a little guy. Yeah. Again on the pause. What is that? Oh, wow. He doesn't count. Little sunfish. Ooh, he's pissing all over the place.
What is it, a bluegill?
He's feeling a little nervous, yeah.
A little camera shy, is he?
Yeah.
That's about how I felt this morning.
Lunkerville's presented by South Bend. Quality tackle since 1906. Also sponsored by Diet Mountain Dew. Diet tastes better on the mountain. Big Bite Baits, designed to bring the big bite to your line. Sunline, the strength to guarantee your confidence. Spro, America's best anglers designing the world's finest fishing tackle. BassResource.com, the ultimate bass fishing resource guide. I got a feeling.
Go with it.
Sometimes you just got to go with your gut.
Yep.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Redskins glory starts right now. My sister gave me this lure. She gave me a bunch of lures, and I have yet to use them. But since this is a tribute show to my father, there you go. The Washington Redskins inline spinner. Good feeling. Good feeling. On the Redskin lure. Oh, that's a good one. There you go. He's tugging.
Digging?
Yeah.
That's good. Nice.
It's
nice.
a largie. Good largie. Yeah. Yes. I knew my dad was here with me. That was the second cast on that Redskins lure. Yeah. Nice.
Nice job, Mike.
So Jay, when I come out here and see all these docks and rocks and weed beds, and I mean, I gravitate directly to the shore and I want to cast at these things that I see. But you have us out here and I'm not sure why. Could you tell me why?
Right now what we're doing is fishing a long weed point. I mean, the fish are post-spawn, so what they're doing, the spawning takes a lot out of them. Now they're trying to get fattened up from the summertime, so they're hanging in the weeds. They're eating a lot of, there's a lot of alewives in here. So that's why we're out here. We're throwing over the tops of the weeds where the fish are starting to hang. They're trying to catch their breath after spawning and just trying to load up on some food just to get their metabolism back up.
Now I see that dock and I'm like, I gotta throw something under that dock. But would they be in a dock pattern now, or is that just
That's
not?
very well possible. It could be, you know, post-spawn hanging under the docks.
Oh, there's one. I knew it. Here we go. Oh, yeah, come on, I knew it. He's not huge. He's something, though. Is that a monster rock bass?
Yeah.
Holy crap! Look at that thing. He's a horse. Whew. A big one. I know you have a lot of confidence in that inline spinner. What do you want to just keep fishing it?
Now, I think we should switch it up, get away from the inline a little bit. What I'll do is I'll give you a nice small crankbait, and I'm going to switch to a drop shot, see if we can figure out where the fish are biting right now, and see if we can put a couple of them in the well and see if we can call.
Nice. Okay, I like the crankbait. Thank you. Come on, baby, strike it. There we go. There's a fish.
Got one?
Yep. It's not huge, but I think it's a largie. Oh no, smallie. Decent. Oh no! Oh. Oh. Within net range, but it only had one treble on. Oh. There we go, there's a fish, a good one. Let me get the net. Oh.
Big largemouth, big one.
Largie. Where'd it go? Where's the... Oh yeah.
That'll help.
Yes. Nice one, Jay.
About two.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay, nice. We got a little flurry here. Maybe they're turning on.
Nice, nice.
Nice. That's a good one. That might be the same one.
Quite possible.
It's a very similar place. Oh. She's a tugger. Stay down. Yes! Yeah, oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. Is that the same one? I think it is.
It's very well possible, especially when she's on a bed.
I got you. I got you. There he is.
That might be that's a good fish right there. Oh yeah, it's a 3 or 4 pounder. Oh, he might be bigger than that. Oh yes, that is a giant. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, I know you want to. That's the beast. Oh, I barely got him to stay on there. Come here. Come here. Me and you right here. I got you. Oh, it's a nice one. Yes, indeed. Well, we're gonna get this released.
An exact description was... We have a bulletin just received. According to a report not yet confirmed, a beast of seemingly gigantic proportions has been sighted lurking in the hills due northeast of town. City officials have called for military help. Planes and troops are expected to arrive within the next 2 hours. Meanwhile, citizens should take refuge in places of safety, cellars, bomb shelters, as directed by civil defense administrators.
This segment of Lunkerville is brought to you by Big Bite Baits. Great lures at great prices. I have an interesting question for you, Jay. We're in a cove again. We caught a few fish in this other cove. We're fishing a similar shoreline, and we're not catching fish. Why do you think that is?
Yeah, I've seen that in the past too. I think it's a matter of sunlight and temperature. You know, if a cove's getting hit with the sun all day, you know, that'll make a huge difference. You know, a lake like this, it could be, 68 on one side and 58 on the other side. It all depends on, if it's got a southern exposure or northern exposure. Not gonna help.
You got one?
Yeah, just a little one.
It's action. Oh yeah! This doesn't feel very big.
I don't think that was gonna help us.
Well, he's not going to stay in the boat, is he?
No, he's just here for a visit.
He just wants to say hi. We like
He
him.
wanted to be on TV.
He was pretty shallow. All right, they're responding to the little crankbait. Jay, you're the man. You figured it out. I'm digging it. What's your strategy in a tournament situation like this? What should we do?
What we're going to do is we'll keep doing the same pattern we're doing now. We upgraded in the last cove we were in, so we'll come into this cove here. We'll keep going with the crankbaits and the drop shots, and hopefully keep upgrading.
Here's one.
Oh yeah,
That's a good one.
that should help.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh, that's a little better, right?
that's a call right there.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
No doubt.
solid.
Very solid. Yeah. Yeah. I love when it works out.
Upgrades.
Okay, so now let me ask you. What's your honest feeling of what's going on now in the field? Do you have any idea? Do you think like everyone's doing well, or people are having a hard time, or you have no idea whatsoever?
I have no idea. I mean, I think everybody's going to come in with a limit. It's just a matter of those few guys who are going to find big fish. We're catching fish. We're not going to stop what we're doing.
No.
We're upgrading. It may be slow, but we're definitely upgrading. Just stick with it.
Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. That's a good one. It's tugging. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a real nice one.
Oh yeah. Oh man, she is tugging. Okay, stay on, stay on. We ain't out of it. Oh yeah! A pig smallie. Look at her. We have to interrupt this programming to give you a very important message from Lunkerville. Have you ever watched a fishing show and you think, I can do that? You're watching me fish with people that look just like you, just like your friends. So why can't you be on the show? You can. Do it. This is how. I'm going to tell you right now. Go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Lunkerville. Interact with other people there. Submit a video. of you fishing. We especially like videos of tips. Yeah, you can just go in your backyard or your basement or your living room, turn on the video camera and record a tip. One of those little tips or tactics that you think are interesting, that have helped you with your fishing. Because my philosophy is anyone who has a passion for fishing has something to teach me. So teach me already. What are you waiting for?
Fish on.
I don't know, is she worth looking at? I don't think so.
Nah, she's not gonna help.
Nah. Y'all remember Paulie the Rich from that spring fishing show that we did? Well, it's spring and he's fishing and he's got his eye on a girlfriend there. He's courting a girl. I don't know if she's going home with him. You're looking good, Paulie. You lose a little weight there, you're looking trim.
I saw the camera, I sucked it in.
Where'd she go? Oh, you might help.
I think she's gonna cut it.
I don't think she's gonna make it.
Nah, the action is nice.
Oh, I got it in her side. That's why she went sideways. Oh, she's not gonna help.
Well, time's up. And although winning this event would be cool, it would be fun, it would be exciting, that's not what's important. What's special is that a bunch of people got together to raise money for this cause. And we all got to go fishing and have a great time. Okay, we finished in the middle of the pack. We didn't win anything, but I don't care. We all had a great time. So I want to thank Jay for taking me out on his boat and helping me catch some fish. And I also want to thank Wild Bill for putting this event together, because without him, this would have never have happened. And thanks everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in next week to Lunkerville.